So now we finish preparing some snacks to accompany our rest time.
And wait for our eating video.
Bye
Bye.
Alright, so we met our friends. He's from class 12.
12.
His name is
Bagus.
Bagus
Yeah.
Nugroho.
Say hi, Bagus.
You can call me Sugap.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Bye bye, Bagus.
Bye bye,
See you,
Bagus.
Cindy.
See you.
Nice to meet you.
Now can I try your cheesecake?
Sure. You're welcome.
Check down upstairs and have dessert. Thank you. Oh my god. Naya, do you know that food waste issue? Because it's a top trending in X application. And actually, what is food waste?
Yeah, Sinby, I know that. So food waste is leftover food that is still suitable for consumption, but is thrown away as trash.
I see. Is a food waste just food?
No, it could also be remaining drink.
Oh god, it means that all this snacks that we have always produced is food waste?
Yes.
Oh god, we have a lot of food waste. Are we going to throw it away? Oh god, it is ants. It is ants. Ew.
Ew, what do you think, Naya?
Ew. It's disgusting.
Wait, Cindy.
What?
Do you understand what in my mind?
This is funny. Just say it. I'm not a wizard.
I'm just kidding. What if we collect our leftover food and take it home?
It's disgusting.
To calculate how much food waste we produce today.
I'm agree. If you want wait it tonight, don't forget to tell me how much your food waste wait.
Okay.
Hi guys, tonight I ate pancang satay and also pempek. Guys, I'm already a bit full.
I will wait this rubbish later at home. So, from the food waste problem, it can be concluded that the solution is buy according to your needs so you don't waste it and reduce waste. Thank you. So now I'm having dinner with ayam geprek. What is ayam geprek in English? And at the same time fulfilling my plan this afternoon with Naya.
Hello everyone, good night. So there is my food waste, and this inside there is leftover rice, chicken, and geprek, and then vegetables, and this some snacks, and there is full of ants. And then I will weigh it all. And this one. This morning I had breakfast with lunchbox. So I don't produce food waste. So after I calculate how much food waste, and I weight with this scale. Oh my god, it's so heavy. And Its weight is 250, sorry. So from the food waste problem, the solution can be concluded are 1. Bags needed, 2. Make a plan for shopping.
Oke teman-teman, terima kasih sudah menonton videonya.